Hi, my name is Andrew Benson. Today I've come with another one again. Liver health. Are you suffering from liver problem? Then this video is for you. This is an amazing supplement that will settle the once and for all. The link to place your order is much available in the description of this video. Let me take you the video and see for yourself. Subscribe and follow for more info. Thanks for your time.
The liver performs essential functions such as nutrient processing, purification, bile production, and regulation of harmful substances. Liver problems can lead to chronic fatigue, mental fog, imbalanced blood sugar levels, heart and kidney issues, weight gain, excessive bleeding, increased intracranial pressure, and other metabolic disorders. The Liver Health Formula by Pure Health Research supports healthier liver markers and helps protect against further harm. Simply take a daily dosage of 2 easily swallowable capsules that are gluten-free, dairy-free, non-GMO, and soy-free. Liver Health Formula promotes liver cleansing and purification, maintains liver health, supports whole body cleansing, eliminates harmful substances, supports the immune system. Liver Health consists of superior quality and all-natural ingredients. The formula includes beets, which naturally enhance purification enzymes, dandelion to assist in eliminating harmful substances from the body, milk thistle to shield cells from harm, and artichoke extract to improve liver functions and reduce immune markers. Looking to enhance fat burning, digestion, and energy levels? Revitalize your liver with Pure Health Research's Liver Health Formula.